Is your kitchen sink looking dull and stained and you want to take it from this to that? Then keep on watching, my friend, and I'll show you how to clean your kitchen sink and make it white and sparkling again. This method will work on both ceramic and porcelain sinks. Let's do this. I was almost ready to give up on this sink after trying a number of store products and natural methods like baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, among others, but that did not work. I then tried using this product here called Soft Scrub Cleanser with bleach on a small spot, and within some few minutes the stain was gone and I was so happy and relieved. I don't usually use products with bleach, but in tough situations like this, it's my last resort. Before applying this product, make sure you have good ventilation, so open a window or door. After this deep clean, you can switch to mild products like Barkeeper's Friend or a mix of baking soda and dish soap for regular maintenance cleaning. For this job, you will need soft scrub cleanser with bleach, a sponge, microfiber or terry towel for wiping, and gloves. Let's get to the cleaning. Apply the product on the affected area. I don't like using too much product when cleaning, so at first I made a mistake and applied just a little bit, and then I sprayed the product with my hands like what I'm doing here. But I had to repeat the process because some of the areas were still stained because they did not have enough product. So to avoid that, make sure you apply generously until the whole area is completely covered, and I did that the second time. Use a sponge to clean. Here you won't even need to use elbow grease, which is the beauty about this product because it does all the work for you. This product also works to clean bathroom tile grout. Check out this video for more information. Now rinse thoroughly until all the product is gone. If you're getting any value from this video, may you hit that like button so the video may spread to more people. Thank you so much for your support. This is the easy part. Wipe and buff with a towel to give the sink a shiny finish. Remember to clean under your faucet. Check this video out to learn how to. Now check out the difference, y'all. Look at the before and now the after. Huge difference. The transformation is amazing. No need to put a new sink. How about that? Oh yeah. Like, share, subscribe for more cleaning tips or hacks. That way you won't miss out when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.